my dear students, welcome to Math World. I am Mr. Mahabaleshwar. Today I am explaining how to find square of a number from 1 to 100 within few seconds. Means I am going to explain today easier way of finding square of different numbers from 1 to 100. Dear children, you are familiar with these square numbers. 1 square, 1 into 1, 1, 2 square, 2 into 2, 4, 3 square, 3 into 3, 9. Similarly, 4 square, 4 into 4, 5 square, 5 into 5, and 10 square, 10 into 10, 100. These square numbers product you know very well. When the teacher asks 11 square, 12 square, or 13 square, or 45 square, or 95 square, or 75 square, normally we are getting confused, or we are taking lot of time to get the answer, or we will get error in the answer. How to rectify all these things? Let's see. Today I will clear. You can find out the square of a number within some seconds. Means within 30 seconds or 45 seconds. Some student can finish within 15 seconds. Within 1 minute we can do the calculation. If I ask 25 square is how much? 35 square, 37 square, or 45 square. Okay, please concentrate everyone on my calculation. Let's start the calculations. Let us take one example here. 12 square. Till 10 you are very familiar. Everyone knows 9 9s are 81, 6 6s are 36. That means 6 square, 5 square, all these things. When we come across 12 square, we are having little worries how to rectify this. 12 into 12, I know I can write 144, but everybody can't write. The intelligent student can write 14 into 14, 196. Average students will take some time, right? So how to bring the same student to the average student to intelligent student track? Easier way. This is very simple. I will explain today how to make 12 square within few seconds. Listen here. 12 square you can write like this, right? You can see here 2 digit. One is in the unit place, one is in the 10th place. What you have to do? Unit place square you make. 2 square is 4, but you have to write 0 4. 1 square is 1, you write here. After that you can see 3 digits here. 1 2 3 digits. You might multiply simultaneously. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. That 4 you can write in the middle of first number. Then you can add 4, 0 plus 4, 4, 1. Now you can see 12 square is 144. Here the normal method 12 square is 144. In the same way I can take another example, 26 whole square. First what I have to do? 6 square I will write 36. Then 2 square is 4. After that I am multiplying simultaneously 3 digits. 2 6s are 12. 12 double means 12 2s are 24. You have to write here. Leave unit place. 6 7 6. You can check with the calculator. Exactly the correct answer. 26 whole square. After that I can take another increasing number 47 whole square. 7 square, first you make unit digit square. 7 square is 49. After that you can make square. 4 square is 16. After that you can multiply simultaneously 3 digits. 4 7s are 28. 28 2s are 56. Add 9 0 11 12. Okay, 2 2209. Right, 47 whole square. After that I will take one more increased number above 50, 73 whole square. 3 square is 9. 7 square is 49. After that 7 3s are 21. 21 2s are 42. Add this 9 2 13 5. 4 plus 1 is 5. So 73 whole square is 5329. So I will explain once again how to find the square of 2-digit number. One example 73 I will take again. 3 square you can make first. 3 square is 9. Again you have to make 7 square is 49. Then you multiply simultaneously these 3 digits. 7 3s are 21, 22. 21 2s are 42. Then you can add both answer. Similarly 47, 7 square is 49, 4 square is 16, 4 7s are 28, then 28 2s are 56. Add. You are getting this. So this way we can find the square of 2-digit number from 10 to 99. Now one more easier step here. For example, if the number is ending with 5, how to make the square? 25 square or 45 square or 95 square. Say within 15-20 seconds you can finish your calculation. See that first digit 5 square you can write 25. Right? So you can see here the 10th place digit is 1. Increase one number. 1 after 2. 2 ones are you multiply. 2 ones are 2. Here 1 after which number will come? 2. 1 2s are 2 you write. Similarly 5 square as it is 25. When once 5 comes you can write 25 only. 25, 35, 45, 55, 65 whatever. So first you write 25. 2 after 3 you write. 2 3s are 6. Here again 25. 4 after 5. 4 5s are 20. Again 9 after 10. 25 as it is you write. 9 10s are 90. This is another technique. If the number is ending with 5, you can make the square in a very easier way. 15 square 225. 25 square is 625. 45 square is 2025. 95 square is 9025. 9025. Okay, you can improve your calculations like this by using the smaller technique.